The world is evolving rapidly. Every corner of our globe is experiencing the impacts of the climate crisis. The only way to avoid its worst impacts is to reduce global greenhouse gas emissions to net zero by 2050. The world must adopt cleaner ways to power our society, move ourselves and goods through the world, maintain a thriving economy, and heat our homes. And we need to move faster. Of the more than 50 areas critical to meeting the climate challenge, we are behind in 47. To make up for lost time, we must accelerate our transition to renewable energy. But the sun doesn't always shine, and the wind doesn't always blow. At other times, more electricity is generated than can be used. And these technologies can't create the heat needed by homes, businesses, and industries. The technologies we have today are not enough. We need new, innovative solutions to get us back on track. Malta's innovative clean power plant is a like-for-like replacement for fossil-fueled power and heat plants. It generates 100 megawatts of clean power and 70 megawatts of clean heat. It eliminates carbon emissions and avoids the volatile prices of fossil fuels by storing zero emissions, low-cost available renewable energy. Let me tell you how it works. Electricity from the grid or directly from renewable energy enters the plant through a switchyard and flows to the plant's power island. Inside the turbine hall, the electricity powers a heat pump. Its grid-synchronous motor provides stability services to the grid outside the plant, while the compressor and turbine convert the electrical energy into thermal energy. Heat exchangers transfer the thermal energy into molten salt and coolant storage systems, technologies that are used today throughout the world in solar power and LNG facilities. When needed, the stored energy is transferred back to the power island to drive the turbine and generator, delivering 100 megawatts of clean energy back to the grid and up to 70 megawatts of clean heat to decarbonize hard-to-abate sectors. With a combined efficiency of up to 90%, Malta's clean power plant performs better than any other storage technology. It allows utilities to have solar and wind power available when they need it and prevents wasting surplus clean energy. It generates carbon-free heat needed to clean up industry, agriculture, and community heating. A like-for-like replacement for modern gas power plants. It provides the essential reliability services needed by grid operators, but lost when fossil power plants are replaced with renewables and batteries, like load following and synchronous natural inertia. It is manufactured, built, and operated by the same workforces used by fossil energy, ensuring that jobs are not lost and communities are not disrupted by adopting clean energy. With no rare minerals or dubious supply chains, it uses existing manufacturing and abundant materials, so it won't run into bottlenecks and price increases as demand grows for scarce resources, like lithium, cobalt, and uranium. Siteable nearly anywhere, it is not dependent on geology or geography and is not a fire hazard. There are no byproducts throughout its lifespan, and it is 100% circular, avoiding end-of-life recycling and disposal challenges. Malta's clean power plant delivers grid-scale solutions, accelerating the energy transition and helping to make up for lost time.